Good evening.
Oh. Good evening, sir.
You cannot hear me, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Yes. Let's start work. Sharp, sharp. Let's start the work in minutes. What's the topic of the day?
Equation.
Is it inequality? Is it linear equation? Or what?
Yes, linear.
Linear equation. Okay,
Linear
that's
inequalities.
or linear
Yes, sir.
inequalities. Which one?
Linear. It's linear inequalities. I'm also the linear equation.
I don't understand you again. Okay, anyway, should we? You said you have linear equation, linear inequalities. Which one?
Yes.
Okay, which one first? Which one?
The two.
Which one first? You can't be doing it at the same time.
I must linear equation first. So,
Linear equation.
yes, linear equation first.
I don't think linear equation give you stress, but let's do something. Now, instead we are talking about linear. Can you see the board?
Yes.
Equation. Now, when they say linear equation, it means that you have equation like this. Example. Number one. Let's say we have x plus 3 equals 5. They want you to get x, and you know this directly. I think you can tell me the answer. What's the answer to this?
8.
X equals 5 minus 3. You have to subtract now, and the answer is 2.
2.
You get that?
Yes.
Let's say we now have 7 equals x minus 4. 7 equals x minus 4. The usual thing is that leave x to be in a place. And the most likely thing is just change the position of x minus 4 and 7. And you have x minus 4 equals 7. Our aim is to keep our x at the left side, always. So we change the two totally. Then x here, it becomes 7 plus 4. It's as if you are taking this minus 4, we travel and leave that position to 7. The way we should see it is that x is always the landlord, but it will always be at the left side. While minus 4 is like a tenant that should be with the other tenants of 7. So they will be at the other side, right side. So changing it, it will change the side, and therefore x equals 11. I believe that one is clear.
Yes.
Now, do you have critical question there that is disturbing you?
No. Only linear equation, no.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, can you solve this for me? 3x plus 7 equals minus 14. Find x.
Okay. -7.
Correct. So here, as we have it, you just say 3x equals -14 minus 7. 3x equals -21. X equals -21 over 7. And x equals over 3. And x equals -7. That's correct. Okay. But that's not the end. Let me give you another one. Number 4.
Okay.
Let's say we have 26 equals 5 plus 15 plus x over 2. Yes, find x. I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
Wait.
What is it?
Wait.
I'm waiting.
I made a mistake. I have to start again.
You have to start again or what?
I made a mistake. I have to start again.
Okay, I'm waiting. I am waiting. Waiting for you.
22.
What is it?
22.
22. Correct. Correct. So let me play from here. Let me solve it my own way because I know you use one kind of program. Change the position. X should be at the left side. Equals 26. X over 2 equals 26 minus 15. X over 2 equals 11. X equals 2 times 11, which is equal to 22. Okay, I believe with this, I don't think there should be a problem with this now, linear equation. Let's discuss the linear inequality so that you can be happy. Yes, linear inequality. Linear inequality. Yes. What is this one? We have to discuss rules first. The rules need to be discussed. And what are the rules? The first rule you must note here is that if x is greater than y, then y is less than x. E.g., 5 is greater than 2, means that 2 is less than 5. That's the first rule. Second rule states that if ax is less than y, then x is less than y over a for division. E.g., for this, 2x is less than 10, then x is less than 10 over 2, and x is less than 5. Now, another rule says that if it can be greater than or anyone can be there. If minus bx is greater than y, then it means that x is less than minus y over b. You get that? What has happened there? I've changed the sign immediately. Immediately you are dividing with minus, you must change the sign. I will give you 2 examples here for reason best known to me. Let's say we have minus 3x is greater than 15. Then x here is less than, because I'm dividing with minus 3. And our answer will be x is less than minus 5. Another example here. Let's say we have minus x is less than 2. X here is greater than minus 2. You are changing the sign immediately. Once the minus sign at this side of x is leaving, it's changing the sign of the other one and changing the inequality sign. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Have you done something like number line?
Yeah.
Number line with the inequalities, right?
Yes.
If yes, then let me go and take my own textbook so that we can discuss it perfectly. Just give me a minute. I'll join you. Hello, I'm back. Are you there?
Yes.
Yes. I think you need the number line before the real equations, right? Or
No.
equations before number line. Equations before number line, Abi?
Yes.
Okay. Let me see some of the examples that are out there or questions that are out there. I want to solve them now. Be like examples. See whether you be happy. So that you can be happy. Now I have examples there. Examples. We have number 1 here that says that, okay, let me write. It says that solve the inequality. Then number 1 is 5 plus 4x is less than 12. Number 2 says that 4n minus 5 is greater than 15. Number 3 says that 5x minus 9 is greater than or equals to 8x. Number 4 states that 6x plus 2 is less than or equals to 12x minus 3. Number 5 here states that 18 minus 7x is greater than or equals to what? 17. Number 6 being the last question there is 9 minus 5x less than 6 minus 2x. Now, we want to solve now. I will solve number 1 to 3. Why we solve number 4 to 5? But how you solve? We solve it one by one. Number 1, we have 5 plus 4x is less than 12. The way we treat this, we treat it like if we are solving linear equation. Just noting that we have our signs there as usual. So what do we do here? We keep 4x just like I said that should be at the left side. Less than 12. 12 was at the right side, so we keep it like that. Then we take the 5 there to subtract. That will be minus 5. Then we have what? 4x is less than 7. Then x is less than 7 over 4. That is, x is less than 1 whole number 3 over 4. I believe that one is clear.
Yes.
Number 2, we have 4n minus 5 is greater than 15. That is 4n is greater than, oh, I should have put that 15 plus 5. 4n is greater than 20. N is greater than 20 over 5. N is greater than 20 over 4. Sorry, I've written the answer instead of the whole thing. Is less than, is greater than what? 5. Let's look at number 3. We have 5x minus 9 is greater than or equals to 8x. Now, I told you that our value should be x should be at the left side. Left side. We have 5x at the left side. 8x is at the right side. So you must take 8x to this side. So what do? 5x minus 8x is greater than. Now, minus 9 is here. It's going to change it to plus 9 when it transfers to the side. As normal thing. When you transfer a number from another position to another position, you should change the sign. Unless you are changing the two sides totally, that's when sign will not change. But you are changing single by single, you change the sign. So here we have 5x minus 8x, that is minus 3x is greater than or equals to 9. Now don't forget the rule, minus 3 is leaving the place. So naturally, this sign will change to less than or equals to 9 divided by minus 3. So our final answer is S is less than or equals to minus 3. Do you understand this?
Yes.
So you can now solve number 4 now. Solve number 4 first. Hope you have written what is on the board. Hope you have written what is on the board.
You mean the question?
Hope you have written what is on the board, what I solved on the board. Or do you like them? No, that should be your notes.
No, I mean, I'm telling the question in my notes.
Why are you raising one hand up?
Huh?
Why your hand is up?
X greater than equals to minus 5. So yes. Let me get 5/6.
No, I don't understand.
Say. Mx is greater. Sorry. So x is less than equals to 5/6.
X is less than or equal to 5/6. Is that how you solve it? No. It should be X is greater than or equals to 5/6. You get it? Or you don't get it? That sign should change because you are. What's it?
I didn't change the sign.
You have to change the sign. Do you now understand?
Yes.
You understand why it has to be like that? Yes. Now, next question. Solve.
Okay. Sorry. One over 7 is less than equals to x.
That's not the way it's x you mentioned first. No. X should be at the left side, like I told you.
Oh. X is greater than equals to 1 over 7.
How do you get that?
Eh?
The answer should be x is less than or equal to 1 over 7.
Oh.
What is R there? The initial answer you told me was what?
1 over 7 is less than equals to x.
So by the time you now change x to the left side, the sign will change. It's not like equality sign. It's an equality sign that the sign will not change. When you change them totally, their position totally. But in this case, you have 1 over 7 is what? Greater than.
Greater than.
Initially, okay. Let me
Greater than equals to
x. So then by the time you change it, it will now become x is less than or equals to 1 over 7. Is that okay? Is that taken?
Yes.
Now,
yes.
Go to number 6. Go to number 6.
X is greater than 1.
That one is correct. Correct. Now you get it. Now you what? Get it.
Yes.
Okay, now the next thing is to now discuss the let's discuss the number line. Okay?
Okay.
Now I will give you some tips on number line. Some tips on number line. Number line to be discussed now as regards the inequality. Let's talk about the number line. Now, let's say we have our line like this. The middle is 0. This place, let's say, is 1, 2, 3. The arrow, you put your x there. After 0, you say -1, -2, -3, like that. Now, if the question now says that x is greater than 2, see how it will be drawn. You have it like this. Locate 0, 1, then 2. On the 2, just draw a line up, then a circle on it. And from the circle, draw a line to the right and put your arrow there. Why is it like this? Why is it like this? It's like this because if you look at this arrow, this sign of inequality, see where it's facing. That's the same way the arrow must face. Are we together?
Yes.
That's the same way this place should face. Look at x is less than 4. Draw your line, then you have your 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. X is here. On the 4, we draw the line down. Our 0. Then you draw from the left to the left. And you put your arrow to the left. Because the inequality sign is pointing towards left. Are you there?
Yes.
Now look at, let's say we now have x is greater than or equals to -3. Draw a line like this. Our 0 is bound to be here because the negative sign will be at the left side. -2, then -3. On that 3, you draw a line down to the 3. The circle you put on it will now be a shaded circle. Are we together?
Yeah.
Why is it shaded? Because it has equals to with it. So it will be ordinary circle. It will be a shaded circle. Then you draw to the right and you put it there. Let's say we now have x is less than or equals to 1. Draw the line. Oh, I didn't show the equals, the x sign. X should be there. So we have our 0 here. Here is 1, 2. The x is shown. So on the 1, you draw your line down. Your circle there should be a shaded one. Then you draw to the line. Your sign is put there, showing the direction of the sign. Hope you understand this.
Yes.
You understand? How will I see your solution now if I give you a question to solve? How will I see it? That means
I don't know.
That means you have to send it to my WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
How would that be possible for you as you do it immediately? Okay. What I will do is this. Let's say we have, let's now see this one. The question I have here, examples I have here, is such that I'm going down. Okay, now look at the example we have here. I will write the example. Now, example says that if y is a positive integer, for what range of value, for what range of values of y is x. For what range of value is, oh sorry, I've written another thing entirely. Let me just clean it. For what range of value is what? 1 is 8 plus 2y is less than 14. Number 2, 15 minus 2y is greater than 3. Then the question now ends at draw number lines to show your answer, to show your answers. So we are going to solve now. Solution number 1 says that 8 plus 2y is less than 14. Are you there?
Yes.
So 2y here is less than 14 minus 8. 2y is less than 6. Y is less than 6 over 2. Therefore, y is less than 3. Now you draw the number line. Number line. We have a 0 here. 1, 2, 3. That's enough. Y is what you use now in this case. It's not x. You do the here now. So here is on 3. It's ordinary less than. You have your 0 there now because it's only less than. Then you draw the parallel line to this horizontal line to say. Then you put your arrow there. Is that okay?
Yes.
So now you can solve it. Okay, you can write that one and solve number 2.
15 minus 2y is greater than or equals to 3.
Yes.
The minus 2y is greater than equals to 3 minus 15.
Yes.
The minus 2y is greater than equals to minus 12.
Yes.
And I have y is greater than equals to minus 12 over minus 2.
Y is less than or equal to, you will change the sign immediately. You are taking the minus 2 to the right.
Yes.
You should change the sign immediately. Y, the answer now will be y is less than or equals to minus 12 over minus 2. Okay? So
Yeah.
what was your final answer? What was your final answer?
Y is less than equals to 6.
Oh yeah, show the video again. Place the something, let me see it again.
I should do what?
Your work is place it like this again. Let me see it. Place on the screen.
Okay. Okay.
It's upside down. It's upside down. Upside down. What you got here from your answer is greater than, but the answer should be less than. Is that okay?
Okay.
So that means you didn't get it rightly. Okay. I believe you get it now.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So let me now solve it so that you can see what I was saying. Number 2 is 15 minus 2y is greater than or equals to 3. Minus 2y is greater than or equals to 3 minus 15. Minus 2y, can you see the board?
Yes.
Is greater than or equals to minus 12. Why? Immediately I'm taking the minus number, I'll change this sign to less than or equals to minus 12 divided by minus. Y is less than or equals to 6. So let's draw it. We have a line here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our Y. So we have this line, then shaded 0 on the top there. Then we join them together and put the arrow there. Is that okay?
Yes.
Now, I believe inequality shouldn't be the problem again.
Yes.
I believe so. So what we need to do now is you do more practice. So how will you do that? That will be assignment for the day. Hello?
Yes.
Assignment, I said. Or you don't want assignment?
I don't want to.
What is it?
It's normal.
Is normal. Okay. What is the chapter that you have the inequalities there? Chapter 14, I think.
Let me check.
Check it out.
And the chapter is chapter 14.
Exactly. Go to exercise 14.3. You will see that we have solved number 1a to f, right?
Yes.
You have solved number 2a and b.
Yes.
Now you are going to solve number 3 before tomorrow.
Huh?
Oh, tomorrow I won't come. You solve number 3a to r. Number 4a to s. Then
Number 4A to S.
yes, when we now meet on Wednesday, you will discuss the remaining things there. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So, any other issue?
No.
No other issue. So, I will have to pause at this point where we'll be talking and be meeting later.
Okay.
This video will be sent to you. Okay?
Okay.
See you when I see you. And bye for now.